AI can now enable finance professionals integrate sentiment data, yeah, into your risk dashboard. If I have the sentiment data against standing available traditional metrics, I can actually now manage my risk. I know what's coming, when, and how, and how can I pivot. Yeah. Watch for divergence. Sentiment goes down, your bank balance sheet is still looking very good. It's for you to ponder what's happening. What's my mix in portfolio? Where am I not getting it? Okay. Then how can I pivot? Then it also helps you improve forecasts. Because if the NPOs are going to rise in 3 to 5 months lead time, then you need to adjust your underwriting, your provisioning, and board reporting early, so it doesn't hit you like a ton of bricks at the end of the day.
AI is not a strategy. It is a tool. You have your business strategy, you use AI to execute your strategy. 2, AI can hallucinate and hallucinate badly. I'm sure one of the accounting firms will tell you the case in Australia where they presented a report to their client generated by AI, and the client says, "What are you writing?" And unfortunately, the young person had just download this thing on AI and send it out. Of course, they lost a lot of business and credibility. So please, even as financial people, don't just download those things and put it there. You can hallucinate badly. Be very clear about what AI is and what is not AI. We're getting into a world today where data is being confused. You now have AI generating its own data, which people are confusing as real data.